The Introvert Oasis presents How to Succeed in Dating as an Introvert, 10 Tips and Tricks. Dating as an introvert can often feel overwhelming and exhausting. The pressure to constantly socialize, go out, and meet new people can be daunting for someone who prefers quiet nights in and introspection. However, being an introvert doesn't have to be a hindrance when it comes to finding love. In fact, there are many benefits to being an introvert in the dating world. Introverts tend to be great listeners, have deep insights into themselves and others, and are often creative and thoughtful. By embracing these qualities and finding ways to navigate the dating world that align with your unique needs, introverts can find success in dating. It's important to remember that dating as an introvert doesn't mean you have to change who you are. It's about finding the right balance that works for you. Whether that means taking breaks when you need them, setting boundaries, or finding common ground with potential partners, the key is to stay true to yourself and your unique needs. So let's go to the tips. Number 1. Be yourself. Being true to yourself is critical when dating as an introvert. As an introvert, it's essential to find someone who accepts you for who you are, and not try to change yourself to fit someone else's idea of a perfect partner. You should focus on finding someone who appreciates your introverted tendencies and understands your need for alone time. Instead of forcing yourself to go to loud, crowded bars to meet people, find more introvert-friendly environments where you can connect with others who share your interests. You can try book clubs, art exhibitions, or coffee shops. This way, you will feel more comfortable and have more opportunities to meet like-minded people. Number 2. Focus on quality over quantity. As an introvert, you may not enjoy going out and meeting new people as much as your extroverted counterparts. Therefore, instead of feeling pressured to go on multiple dates a week, focus on finding 1 or 2 people who you really connect with. When you're selective about who you date, you're more likely to find someone who's compatible with you and that you genuinely enjoy spending time with. Instead of swiping right on every potential match, take the time to read their profiles and learn about their interests. This will help you identify people who you are genuinely interested in and can form a deeper connection with. Number 3. Take breaks when you need them. It's essential to recognize when you need a break and take one when dating. Dating can be overwhelming, even for extroverts. As an introvert, you may need more alone time to recharge your batteries. Don't feel guilty for needing time to yourself. It's essential to prioritize your mental health. If you're feeling drained after a long day at work, it's okay to cancel plans and spend the evening relaxing at home. You'll be a better date if you're feeling refreshed and energized. Number 4. Use technology to your advantage. Technology has made it easier than ever to meet new people and form connections. As an introvert, you may find it more comfortable to start conversations online before meeting in person. Using dating apps or online communities where you can chat with potential matches without feeling the pressure of face-to-face interaction can help you build a rapport with someone before taking things offline. Join a dating app or online community where you can connect with people who share your interests. This way, you can get to know someone before meeting in person. Number 5. Be honest about your needs. It's important to communicate your needs and boundaries with potential partners. If you need alone time to recharge, it's important to let your partner know so they don't feel rejected or neglected. Being honest about your needs will help you build a relationship that is based on mutual respect and understanding. If you're feeling overwhelmed and need to cancel plans, be honest with your partner and explain that you need some alone time. A good partner will understand and respect your needs. Number 6. Don't rush into anything. It's important to take things slow when dating as an introvert. As an introvert, you may need more time to build a connection with someone. Don't feel pressured to rush into a committed relationship right away. Take the time to get to know the person and build a foundation of trust and understanding. Don't feel pressured to commit to a relationship after just 1 or 2 dates. Take your time to get to know the person and build a connection with them. Number 7. Find common ground. Finding common ground with your date can help you both feel more comfortable and connected. When you share interests and hobbies with someone, it's easier to form a deeper connection and build a relationship based on shared values. If you're both passionate about hiking, plan a date where you can explore a new hiking trail together. This way, you'll both be doing something you enjoy and have a shared experience to bond over. Number 8. Embrace your introverted tendencies. As an introvert, you may have unique qualities that make you interesting and intriguing. Embrace your introverted tendencies and share them with your date. You may find that your date appreciates your unique personality and finds your introverted nature charming. Instead of feeling ashamed about needing alone time, explain to your date how important it is for you to recharge and have some quiet time. This way, they'll understand and respect your needs. Number 9. Practice self-care. Practicing self-care is important for everyone, but it's especially important for introverts who need alone time to recharge. Taking care of yourself and doing things that make you happy and relaxed will help you feel more grounded and centered, which will make dating less stressful. Take some time to do something you enjoy, like reading a book, taking a relaxing bath, or going for a walk in nature. This will help you feel more energized and ready to tackle the dating world. Before going to the last tip, if you think you got some value out of this video, please give it a like and make sure to subscribe for more videos of introverts and their unique personalities. And don't forget to check the description for more information that we've put together especially for you. For example, a selection of great books that all introverts will enjoy. I really appreciate your support. Number 10. Be patient. Finally, it's important to be patient when dating as an introvert. Finding the right person may take longer, but it's worth the wait. Don't get discouraged if you don't find the right person right away. Keep putting yourself out there, and eventually, you will find someone who appreciates you for who you are. Don't give up on dating after a few bad experiences. Keep an open mind, and be patient. You never know when you might meet someone special. In conclusion, introverted dating is not something to be feared, but rather embraced as an opportunity to find love and happiness on your own terms. As an introvert, it's important to remember that your unique qualities and strengths can be an asset in the dating world. Introverts are great listeners, have deep insights into themselves and others, and are often creative and thoughtful. By embracing these qualities and finding ways to navigate the dating world that align with your unique needs, introverts can find success in dating. That being said, dating as an introvert can still be a challenging experience. It's important to approach dating with an open and positive mindset, focusing on the present moment and enjoying the process of getting to know someone. At the same time, introverts need to take care of themselves and set boundaries as needed. This might mean taking breaks when you need them or finding common ground with potential partners. Remember, dating is about having fun and connecting with others, and it's important to keep that in mind as you navigate the dating world. In the end, it's all about staying true to yourself and finding the right balance that works for you. Don't be afraid to take your time, and remember that finding the right person can take time. Stay patient and kind with yourself, and trust that the right person will appreciate you for who you are. So, go out there, embrace your introverted qualities, and find love and happiness on your own terms. Thank you for watching. And we wish you all the best in your dating journey.